Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith and this is your JIS News for Thursday, June 18. A major water supply improvement project is scheduled to get underway in the Kingston metropolitan area. Cabinet has approved a contract valued at over $7 million for Derrick Gibson Limited to do the work.
The work includes the procurement of 50,000 solid-state cold water meters and 25,000 brass valves, and that contract is for 12 months.
The Information Minister was speaking at Wednesday's Jamaica House media briefing held in Montego Bay. The Ministry of Health will be adding 10 new ambulances to its fleet to improve emergency services in the health sector. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson signed a contract on Wednesday with Toyota Jamaica Limited to purchase the ambulances. The $81 million contract was signed at the Jamaica Diaspora conference in Montego Bay.
The procurement of these ambulances, therefore, while complementing several other activities, will assist to fill some of the existing gaps where transporting patients is concerned.
Dr. Ferguson added that 6 additional ambulances would be sourced through the program for the reduction of maternal and child mortality.
In addition, we have signed off on 2 new ambulances to be procured through JIS Fund. Very shortly, I'm also going to be handing over 2 buses to be used as part of the mental health program.
Meanwhile, the Health Minister says government has implemented a number of initiatives to help the diaspora in donating equipment and other items to the health sector. Among other things, a Health and Wellness Foundation was established in keeping with the Charities Act. Through the work of a diaspora think tank and the newly established Diaspora Advisory Board, a business plan has also been developed.
Of note is the hospital liaison officers that are now in place. That will make a big difference. We have them locally, we have them from the diaspora. The gift policy, we have finalized. We have put in place an equipment performance task force to deal with specification and standards for equipment.
The 2015 Jamaica Diaspora Conference has meanwhile cemented partnerships which will help strengthen the country's education sector. Junior Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Minister Arnaldo Brown gave details of some of the initiatives at a press conference on Wednesday.
We had the Ministry of Education in collaboration with the Diaspora who will be hosting summer camp initiative in July of this year, and that initiative is being supported by the USAID and to the tune of US $250,000, where over 500 youngsters will be trained in literacy and numeracy.
The summer camp will be held at the Cedar Grove Academy in Portmore, the College of Agriculture, Science and Education in Portland, and the Sam Sharp Teachers College in St. James. 5 teachers will also visit the Loma Linda University in California this summer to get training in science, technology and engineering.
And next year, the faculty of Loma Linda will come to Jamaica, where they will train 100 teachers in this particular area of emphasis.
The 2015 Diaspora Conference, which was held from June 13 to 18 in Montego Bay, was the biggest since its inception in 2004. 2,282 people participated in the conference, the highest turnout yet. The Education Ministry is appealing to schools to use the GSAT profiles that are on the results paper for each child to better serve their needs in the next phase of their education.
The detailed information about how a child did at GSAT needs to be carefully analyzed and used by everyone.
Right away you can know what are the weaknesses or the strengths, not just of the class, but of every individual student. So those profiles can be used very effectively to correct weaknesses.
Noting failures rather than trying to ignore them, and using them not to cramp, but rather as risers for remediation and success.
And finally, Investment Minister Anthony Hilton is lauding a new multi-million-dollar investment as a testament of government's push to improve the business environment for economic growth. The minister has welcomed Separate Limited's $350 million investment in new equipment and facilities, including a Tetra Pak compact flex filling machine, the first of its kind in the Caribbean.
Much has been implemented to ensure that our local companies can get most from their investment. We have created a targeted plan to allow manufacturers and exporters such as Separate to access international markets through the development of the National Export Strategy 2.
Last Thursday, Minister Hilton unveiled the company's new equipment and toured its Surge Island Dairies plant in St. Thomas. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.